Hey guys, welcome back to another Chill Billy video. Today I'm going to be showing unboxing the Phantasm box set and All in the Family box set. I thought this would be the easiest way, so I'm making 8 videos. So let's begin. Here's the Phantasm complete collection. I have the original edition of this, which came with the this ball, replica of the ball, and you have to open it up to get the disc out, so forth. That's why I want to do that. That's why I decided to get this set here. If this one doesn't scare you, you're already dead. Special feature contents. As you give like a short thing about it. But here's Phantasm 1979, 2016 remastered. There's all the special features. You can pause and read that. And here's Phantasm 2, 1988, with special features. Phantasm 3, Lord of the Dead, 1994, special features. Phantasm 4, Oblivion, 1998, special features. There's Phantasm 5, Ravager, 2016, with special features. The reason B, there's a running times. Now I'll show you each disc. We have Phantasm. I changed all these covers from the new ones to this one here. I like these ones. There's a disc. There's a disc here. I like this way they have the heat treatment of the ball. Now on the other side, we have the reverse cover. Which is the same as the box set, by the way. That's Phantasm. Here's Phantasm 2. I use the original artwork on these. Here's Phantasm 2. And then, here's the artwork for that, which is pretty good too. I have Phantasm 3, Lord of the Dead. There's a disc. And we have the artwork. Different artwork. And then I have Phantasm 4, Oblivion. And this is the original artwork here. Here's a disc. I can get that. There's the alternate artwork. And then the last one for this one is Phantasm Ravager. There's a disc. Now here's the artwork for that one. That was the Phantasm Complete Collection. Then I have All in the Family. And because of this height sticker on the box, the definitive celebration of the classic groundbreaking sitcom. 28 discs, all 9 seasons, 213 original episodes. Includes tons of extras. New interview with producer Norman Lear. 2 documentaries on the making of the series. 2 original All in the Family pilots. Pilot episode of Gloria, Archie Bunker's Place, and 706 or 704 Hauser. Plus a 40-page collectible book. This also includes the 3-part retrospective from 1979. And there's special features you get. New interview with Norman Lear. Those were the days. The birth of All in the Family documentary. A television resolution begins. All in the Family is on the air documentary. Justice for All original All in the Family pilot. Those were the days. Second All in the Family pilot. Gloria spinoff pilot. Archie Bunker's Place pilot episode. 704 Hauser pilot episode. 1994 spinoff. 40-page collectible book. When I say it's by television critic Tom Shells and media professor Marty Kaplan. Here's all 9 seasons, plus bonus disc. Now I'll show you the discs. First up is season, the complete series. This is season 1 and 2. And they list all the episodes here in the back. This is from Shelf Factory, by the way. There's the discs. They're all the same design. And there's nothing in the back sleeve. And they're just plain. Now here's season 3 and 4. Now the number on the back here, on the side, 6 disc set for this one, 6 for this one. Each one has a different photograph. Again, there's the episodes. And the discs look like this. Huh. There's seasons 5 and 6. Now with little Joey. All the episodes there. This has also 6 discs. There's the disc arts. They're all the same. And we have 7 and 8. We have There's a disc right there, all the same artwork. And we have Season 9 and bonus disc. Here's the episode guide for the 9th season. And here's all the bonus material you get. Here's a disc art for the 9th season. And that's of course the bonus disc there. Same artwork. And it comes with this 40-page book. There's text about the TV show, photographs, other TV shows. And that's the episode guide. That's mainly what it is. It's the entire episode guide for all 9 seasons and the bonus disc. There's some photographs here. One there. One there. Well, that's it for my unboxing of the Phantasm Complete Collection and All in the Family. Please leave comments below. Please let me know. Also, thank you much for watching, and please subscribe.